Today's productivity pointer is on the topic of interruptions because we can all relate to having interruptions happen throughout our day when we had high hopes of getting projects completed. One of the most common interruptions I hear about is when individuals stop in and say to you, "Hey, I've got just a quick question," or "Do you have just a minute?" Sometimes those quick interruptions end up completely sabotaging your day. And my suggestion is to communicate to your coworkers and to your employees that you're going to establish what I call office hours, in which they have permission to interrupt you very freely. And so you might signal them by hanging something outside your door or your cubicle, or setting something on your desk. And when they see this item, they know that they've got permission to interrupt you. That way you can also safeguard some time in your day where you're not going to be interrupted. The second interruption is what I call random thoughts and ideas. I describe this as self-induced ADD. This is what it looks like for me. I'm in the zone working on an article when all of a sudden I get this thought, don't forget to order your dad a birthday gift off of Amazon. And so I jump over to Amazon and I'm searching for things to buy an 89-year-old. And when I find something, I see this message along the bottom that says, people who bought this item also bought these items. And then I'm clicking on all of those, and before I realize it, 20 minutes have gone by, and I say to myself, okay, where was I at in this writing project? All right, if you can relate to that scenario, what I suggest is that you have a placeholder in your office where you can jot down these random thoughts and ideas when they come to you. So it might be a sticky note just off to the side. It might be using our first 15 form that actually has a box on it that says random thoughts and ideas. So when I'm in the zone and I get that idea, I quickly jot down dad gift. I go right back to finishing my article. And then later in the day when I've got a break in my schedule, then I can go and see the items that I've listed on that sticky note or on the first 15 form. Another interruption that I'm hearing about more frequently now is the distraction of noise in offices. And that is partly due to cubicle formats, but also this new open space format in which people's voices and phone conversations tend to carry a lot more so than when we even had cubicles. And so one of the things that some people are starting to use is they simply put in some earbuds. Whether or not they're listening to anything or not will signal to other people that they're busy concentrating and working on something, and you're less apt to get interrupted. The last interruption I want to touch on is notifications, sounds, and symbols. We have become accustomed and trained to take a look at our devices, our laptops, our computers, our phones, whatever, when we hear a ding or a chime, letting us know that we have a text, an email, a social media notification, an IM notification, or a notification that Amazon has just shipped your latest order. My suggestion to you is to mute and shut off all those notifications. Would it be of interest to you to know that those notifications are designed in a way to get a response from you 70% of the time within 6 seconds? And that's why we are so easily distracted by them. So my suggestion, get them all shut off. I hope you have enjoyed this productivity pointer brought to you by Organized Audrey, where our goal is to help you get more done with less stress. Make it a great day.